Now we are going to have a look at date sub function, which basically works very similar way as date add, only rather than adding basically the intervals, it's subtracting them. So if we replace the add keyword with sub, and now if we run exactly same query, you can see we are subtracting 1 week from the date populated from a database. So we have 1st of February, now we have 25th of January. If we try the same with, let's say, 1 hour and run the same query, you can see we are 1 hour earlier. Same with all the other keywords we've been using, so minute, run query, we are 1 minute earlier, and so on. So that's date sub. Now if we're going to have a look at date diff function, which is slightly different, if we type date diff deals only with the dates. It doesn't deal with the time, basically. So let's say we want to show the difference between current date assigned to the record and another date, which is in the past. I'm going to put in between a single quotes, which will be 2010, let's say, 0201, which is 1st of February 2010, and the time, let's make it the same as the time of the original record, and we're gonna save it the same way. Now if we run this query, you can see it shows us date added 365 days difference. Second date is older than the first parameter. So what's gonna happen if we add to it? Let's say we've got 2011 here. If we make it 2012, and if we run it, you can see it showing the negative number because obviously we're deducting lower number from the higher. So we've got minus 365 days. But now let's try the same year, just different month. Let's try with March and run it. We've got 28 days from 1st of February until the 1st of March, which is 28. That obviously indicates that February in 2011 had only 28 days. This, as I said, we cannot do anything with the time. So even if we change this time to, let's say, 0812 and run the query, it's still going to show the same number of days, because this specific function deals only with the date. So we can actually remove this time here. If we keep it, it simply ignores it, but it basically doesn't deal with time values. So that's everything in this series. Any questions, give us a shout.